Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are air fried chocolate chip cookies. Today I'm going to show you a delicious air fryer recipe. It is chocolate chip cookies, and this one is super simple, and it's great if you don't feel like doing something in the oven and getting the whole baking sheet. Plus, it also cuts the amount of time for actually baking cookies. So let's jump right into the recipe. You guys already know all the measurements, ingredients will be down in the description below. First thing we're going to do is we are going to mix our sugar and butter. Now, this is not going to be a low carb recipe. This is just a regular chocolate chip cookie recipe, but it is so delicious. I'm gonna add some softened, unsalted butter to a larger bowl. Next, I'm going to add some granulated cane sugar and some light brown sugar. We're gonna go ahead and get a hand mixer. You can also do this in a standing mixer, but I just like to use the hand mixer for this. And we're gonna combine this all together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. The next thing I'm going to add is 2 large eggs. And this is half maple extract and half vanilla extract. I like to do the maple extract as well because it just adds a nice little flavor to the cookies. You can just use vanilla extract if that's all you have. That will be fine as well. Let's go ahead and mix this together. Next, I'm going to add some baking soda, baking powder, some sea salt, and all-purpose flour. And this is unbleached all-purpose flour. Let's go ahead and mix this together. I'm gonna get my spatula and just scrape the sides down. Make sure we get all of that flour because we wanna make sure that we're mixing all the batter together. And if you know someone that would love this recipe, make sure to hit that share button, share this video with them. It really helps the channel out a lot. Let's go ahead and mix again. Now I'm gonna take some dark chocolate chips. You can also use milk chocolate chips. And I am going to add about 2/3 of the amount to the batter, and let's combine it together. This batter looks good. I am going to cover it with some plastic wrap and set it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. You just want this to be cold. You don't want it to be room temperature before you're baking it in the air fryer. Otherwise, it's just gonna be too melty and not hold up well together. So 30 minutes into the fridge to set. So the cookie dough has been setting for 30 minutes in the fridge. It is ready to go. I have one of my air fryer liners, and I just get these on Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to purchase them. And I'm gonna be using, of course, my Tasty air fryer. Discount codes in the description below. I am gonna go ahead and get about a 2 tablespoon scoop of my cookie dough and place it in the air fryer liner. So it's gonna take several times of putting it in the air fryer. Of course, depending on how much dough you have. And I like to place 4 cookie dough scoops in the liner. You wanna make sure that there is space in between each cookie dough ball. And I am currently preheating the air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for just a couple of minutes while I'm doing this. Put a little bit more on that one. All right, now I'm not going to flatten these cookies because they're going to flatten on their own. I'm just gonna add a couple extra chocolate chips on the top because there's never really too much chocolate, honestly. So we're just going to add some on the top right here. Just press it in lightly. I'm just gonna take my preheated air fryer tray. Let's pick these up and place them into our basket. We're going to air fry these at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 160 degrees Celsius. It's just easier to control the Celsius feature on this air fryer specifically. And I'm gonna air fry them for 10 minutes. In between each time you bake, again, depending on how many cookies you're making, go ahead and place the dough back into the fridge so it maintains that cold temperature. And these are our delicious chocolate chip air fried cookies. Just take a look at them. I mean, absolutely perfect. After I air fried them, I took them out and just let them sit in the air fryer for just a couple of minutes to kind of completely set. They will be soft. They're softer than what you would normally find if you would just get it out of the oven after baking them. But after I let it set for a couple minutes, I put it on a wire cooling rack for just another 5 minutes so it can completely set. And then you get this absolutely perfect cookie. I mean, guys, this is so easy. You get a chewy, soft, delicious chocolate chip cookie. My mouth is watering. I cannot wait to try this. Cheers, guys. It is the perfect texture. Crisp on the outer side, chewy and soft in the center. This one is absolutely delicious, and as you saw, it's so simple to make. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.